Hello, my name is Paul Van Balen. I'm the designated broker for the SunWorld Group. We're a property management firm located here in Southwest Washington. Today I'm going to talk to you about tenant maintenance responsibilities. For a landlord, especially a new landlord, they're very worried about whether or not the tenant's going to take care of the home. Well, it is very important that the tenant treats the home like it belongs to them. One of the important things on the list, if your house has got gas forced heat or air conditioning, the concern would be the air conditioning filter. So the tenant should replace the air conditioning filter every 90 days. Here at SunWorld, we have a program that actually delivers a filter to the tenant every 90 days at no cost to the owner. It's their responsibility to change light bulbs, and I would recommend for light bulbs and batteries that you change to LED lights, not LED light bulbs, but actually a fixture which is LED, so the whole fixture lasts for 45 years or 50,000 continuous hours. Therefore, when a tenant moves out, there's no light bulbs to replace, no batteries to replace. Lawn care is another big responsibility. I recommend, if you have enough cash flow, to put lawn service on the home, especially if there is a homeowners association which has CCNRs, that's your covenant restrictions. It's much better to have lawn care on it than to keep getting letters from the homeowners association about potential violations. Also, there are things that the owner needs to be responsible for, which would be gutter cleaning, roof cleaning. You don't want tenants getting up on the roof or getting on a ladder. That's an extreme liability for a landlord. We don't want tenants to touch plumbing or electrical. So, and to recap this, you want the tenant to take care of the yard, but preferably yard service, light bulbs, but preferably LED lights, and the air conditioning filters. For this and any other information, feel free to call us or email us. Thank you for listening.